Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to see how to verify a cash app card for Apple Pay. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell icon to never miss any incredible content from us. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. We all know how Cash App is flexible for making payments, and if you decide to link your Cash App card to your Apple Pay wallet, then it means you want to dive into even more flexibility when making payments. Yeah, in a nutshell, Apple Pay is actually a mobile wallet that offers more flexibility when looking to make payment. Yeah, it lets you make payment in iOS apps, on the web, or even in store when shopping. So yeah, if you're shopping enthusiast, linking your Cash App card to Apple Pay is one of the great things you have to do. So to link your Cash App card to Apple Pay, there are two ways to proceed. You can do this either through the Cash App mobile app or through the Apple Pay Apple wallet. So to link your Cash App card to the Cash App through the Cash App mobile app, just open the Cash App and tap on the Cash tab just on your Cash App mobile home screen, and then select add to Apple Pay and follow the on-screen instructions to add Cash App to your Apple Pay through the Cash App mobile app. If you decide doing this through the Apple wallet, it is very simple, as just like adding any debit card to your Apple Pay wallet. To do this, you just got to open your Apple wallet on your iOS device and click on the plus button. After that, follow the prompts to add your Cash App card to your Apple wallet, and once that is done, you're going to see something similar to what is on your screen with a done just below, indicating you've linked your Cash App card successfully to Apple wallet. Once you're done linking, you should be open to a flexible world of shopping. So guys, we've come to the end of our video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with friends so they can catch up with linking the Apple Pay, the Cash App card with the Apple mobile wallet. So guys, thanks for watching, and we see you in the next video.